My name is Stephan. I'm a distinguished professor in the Edwardson School of Industrial Engineering and the Mitch Daniels School of Business here at Purdue University. I would like to tell you a little bit about what we're doing at Purdue in terms of research and what exciting opportunities there are for you. And as a place today, we have selected our 10,000 square foot lab called the IE Gateway Lab. And this is a very modern lab that we opened up about 2 years ago to help us better understand how digital twins, IoT, old machinery, new machinery, all sorts of new cool equipment from robots to welding machines to CNCs work together and how we do systems optimization in real time. We start with developing digital twins. What is a digital twin? A digital twin is a virtual representation of a physical asset that changes over its lifetime. And you want to think about this as something we simulate, something we want to improve, a machine, for example. We have a virtual model that is connected to the real machine, and we are taking the data from that real machine and to optimize this virtually and then feed it back to the machine to make sure that the machine performs at the highest level. We not only do this at the machine level, but we also do this at the factory level, at the supply chain level, and we call that digital twins. Digital twins are sourced by very modern new data infrastructure like IoT, 6G, or the IT infrastructure you can see in a given plant, like your manufacturing execution system and so forth. These digital twins help us to optimize machines, factories, and supply chains in real time. But not only in the manufacturing space. We can also do this for oil rigs, we can do it for healthcare system, we can do it for any type of operation you can imagine where you have a lot of data and you want to make the best optimal decision for those systems. As you see here, we have been developing these digital twins in the lab, and you see the virtual models here on the screen. And every single machine has a board that shows the key performance indicators of that machine, and you can see here how they change over time. We have connected those key performance indicator boards to every single machine in the lab, and now we are trying to connect them all. We have a lot of equipment in this lab besides machines. We have an ASRS, which is a storage and retrieval system. We have CMMs, which help you measure and figure out the qualities of a part. We have a cave that helps us to do virtual monitoring of machines and testing out designs before they even have been put on the floor. We have augmented reality systems where we test how strong your golf ball stroke is and how you can improve it. These are all the great, exciting things that you can see in a modern industrial engineering lab. In addition, I do research on supply chain management and especially on resilient supply chain. That I do through the Mitch Daniels School of Business, where I lead the Dauch Center. In that center, we are looking at how resiliency can be improved for whether the electric vehicle supply chain or any other supply chain. And just recently, we developed an index that allows you to do that. We are very excited that you're interested in Purdue University, and we hope that you check out our website. We hope that you contact our faculty, and we believe that this is the best place in the world where you can get a modern industrial engineering education, not only spanning algorithms, not only spanning the math that's required to do this, but also the practical applications in a lab setting that will enable you to be so much more employable because you have, in an academic setting, the practicality that will make you so much better, because not only will you learn the AI, the math, the optimization, the stochastic processes, the simulation tools, all the IE machinery that is helpful to optimize systems. We will also apply those in these labs at companies and in government institutions to help you become the most competitive person you can imagine to be, whether you're seeking an academic or an industrial job. Thank you very much. We hope to see you soon.